Let's show you how to put a photo onto TPU using the Xtool F2 Ultra UV. Here in the Xtool software, we went ahead and added a rectangle around the border, followed by a photo that we're going to engrave. Then we're going to hit the Edit button, Adjustments, and Auto Adjust, followed by Grayscale and Invert. We'll let that think. We'll then select both of those objects, come up here and hit the Mask button, followed by Done, and that will create just our outline. Followed by the Material button, select Black TPU, and I've changed some settings to a higher DPI and a faster dot duration in Grayscale Bitmap mode. 59 minutes and 59 seconds coming up. Hot dang. that is too cool. That is fabulous. What do you think?